40 Profitable Farm-Based Business Ideas. If you're thinking about starting a business in the agricultural industry and looking for the best good little agriculture business thoughts, in that case, this guide can assist you in picking out the right business opportunity. Agricultural Company is about the manufacturing and promoting agricultural products through farming things linked to plants and plants. If you've got vacant land acceptable for farming, then beginning an agriculture farm may be a rewarding business enterprise. You're able to create items following the local requirement and market locally. You could even furnish the item through distribution stations in many regions. The tree is a rewarding business when you've got vacant land and also the capacity to wait a couple of years to create money. A homemade plant nursery is a rewarding business to begin from the garden. Vermicompost organic fertilizer manufacturing has become a family enterprise. The business of dry blossoms has improved consistently over the past 10 decades. The fertilizer supply company is fit for those that reside in small cities and rural places. It's among those lucrative agriculture industry ideas one can begin with moderate capital expenditure. An organic farm greenhouse firm has a high capability to grow and succeed since the demand for organically grown farm products has increased substantially in the past several decades. Poultry farming globally has changed to a techno-commercial sector from the standing of garden farming for 3 years. A mushroom farming company can bring you a significant gain in a brief time with low startup capital investment to start a small business. Hydroponics is a brand new farm technology that's been increasing in requirements over the previous decades. Snail farming company Chance demands discipline and a unique understanding of contemporary technology. In beginning the sunflower farming company, the principal requirement is your property. Beekeeping company Chance necessitates daily monitoring with close oversight of their bees. An entrepreneur can begin an export company of new veggies and fruits by amassing them from nearby farmers. Selling flowers is a lucrative retail farming enterprise. Having confidence in supply, an individual can begin the livestock feed manufacturing enterprise. Frozen chicken is a popular product today. Possessing a decent land holding, an entrepreneur can begin a piggery enterprise. The industrial fish farming company is a rewarding investment that may spin cash at any given time of the year constantly. Pesticide is among the most lucrative agriculture industry thoughts. Broom manufacturing technical procedure is straightforward, and the job could be initiated with good preparation and minimum capital investment. To begin a profitable basket weaving company, one needs thoughtful preparation and a high degree of creative thoughts using a flair for layout. The flour milling company has many diversified areas. The fruit juice manufacturing business has a massive market opportunity. With confidence in the original, groundnut, raw material, an entrepreneur can begin this business with an item of average capital expenditure. Processed cashew nut is a durable consumer product and contains enormous market potential in the FMCG market. Industrial quail farming is about increasing quails commercially with the intention of lucrative meat and eggs production. Strawberry is a healthful and delicious fruit, and you're able to grow this fruit out of your backyard. Strawberry farming is more profitable with a little slice of land. A fish hatchery is a location for artificial breeding, hatching, and rearing throughout the early life period of finfish and shellfish mainly. Commercially soya beans processing to make milk, soy milk, soy sauce, soybean oil, natto, etc. Rising global demand provides a boost to the spice processing sector lately. Vegetable farming is among the most lucrative agricultural industry thoughts. Chicks Hatchery Company is about making money by purchasing commercially created chicks for neighborhood poultry and egg farmers. The scientific way of Rajnigandha farming provides this company with an increase towards a prosperous business. Tea growing company has enormous capacity and need for the item is growing worldwide. Grocery e-shopping portal site is the very trending business in current scenario. Goats are among the critical meat producing creatures worldwide. Goat meat is just one of the choicest meats and contains enormous domestic demand. A landscape specialist is somebody who has years of expertise within the discipline of landscape design. The landscape design practice includes site investigation, website inventory, property preparation, planting layout, grading, stormwater management, sustainable design, structure specifications, and ensuring that plans meet the existing building codes and local and national ordinances. Growing medicinal herbs are just one of the lucrative agriculture business thoughts.